Welcome to EC Academy. My name is Eric Chow. Today I would like to talk about what is computer science major. I organized this talk to help high school students to choose their college major. And computer science major is an important major because it has been a very successful major and has been very popular. And it has been a driver for many industries. So in modern days computer science, you need to study math as the core and use the mathematical knowledge to build up your computing model. And the computing model need to be converted by your programming skill to put them into a program. And the program or hardware that you design will be used to many application fields, including these that are on this chart. So what is computer science and what computer science student will learn? Here I summarize into three major fields. One is programming skills. Usually in the undergraduate study in the lower division, the first year or second year, students will pick up the programming skills and maybe also the mathematical skills. We can call it mathematical computing modeling. You learn the skill for modeling a physical problem using math. And after that, a computer science student will start their computer science core courses. And after that, maybe study some electives. In high school, we have AP Computer Science A, AP Computer Science Principle, AP Calculus, AP Statistics. The AP Computer Science is for the programming skill. AP Computer Science Principle is for the computer science core knowledge. AP Calculus, AP Statistics are the courses for mathematical modeling. So, in high school, if you want to prepare for computer science major, these are the courses that you should take, and it will help your college application. First, let's look at programming skill. Programming skill, usually you need to find a pilot language. Here I use the Foothill College C++ language, CS2A Programming Essential, CS2B Object-Oriented Programming, CS2C Data Structure, and CS2M Algorithms. The name may be different from the course that listed on Foothill College, but these are the terminology that I'm using right now. The first course is Programming Essential. It covers the structured programming, including the data representation, conditional statement, loops, the functions, and basic data structure. And second course usually is a object-oriented programming and learn the API application programming interface, and using that to use a lot of library online or for the desktop computing. And third course usually is data structure and basic algorithm study. It will study the abstract data type and also learning problem solving skills. And more advanced programming course will be focused on the design of algorithms and analysis of algorithms. And on the right hand side, you can see these programming skills being applied to many application fields. And usually these programming skills won't be taught in college, and you need to learn by yourself. Computer core courses. Computer science core courses including the hardware, the software, the operation system, the system software such as programming language and compiler, the networking, the database, and the algorithms. So these 7 core courses that I list over here will be the core course usually required for the CS major in college. So we can look at here, the computer architecture is for hardware. Sometimes it comes with computer organization or logic design. before it. Second one is operation system. Sometimes some school has system programming or embedded OS bundled with this operation system course. Programming language, some colleges may have compilers after this programming language course. Some will have theoretical automata or computing modeling course that will be similar to this programming language course. Computer networking and parallel programming. These are for distributed programming. And computer networking usually is more on the TCP/IP protocols, close to operation system and networking. Parallel programming, on the other hand, related to the lock, the synchronization scheme, semaphore, monitors, those kind of programming mechanism. And database and internet searching skill is for internet data information track. Sometimes we call it information track. And algorithms and computing model, sometimes artificial intelligence is also being important and counted in these algorithm tracks. So we pick these different core courses because after you took these core courses, you may like to take a major field test offered by Educational Testing Services, ETS. And right here is the breakdown of different fields that they may test you in the computer science field test. Usually you can see data structure, logic design, and programming, and programming languages, algorithm study, system including hardware, operation system, and networking, and software engineering, and information management such as database. So these different test topics actually will be answered by these different core courses. And before you take these core courses, you need to finish the basic programming skill training. And between the programming skill training and core course, there are some relations, and that will help you to go into the elective programming fields. And for the mathematics, it is very important that computer science student also learns mathematics. Here on the top, we have the lower division math requirement. Usually it has the calculus BC or calculus for engineering 1 and 2. And maybe the calculus AB, that's for calculus for business. Sometimes most of the school require B and C, and some school require only AB portion will be fine. And college algebra actually is the pre-calculus in high school. And then discrete math and linear algebra, these are usually required by computer science. And also probability and statistics. And higher division actually usually have the multivariable calculus that is also named as the calculus for engineering, or differential equation that is calculus for engineering, and also have numerical analysis. And on the symbolic side, we have abstract math, real analysis, complex analysis, and symbolic computation. So one is solving the equation by symbolic computation, that we call it functional programming. The other one actually is to evaluate the mathematical function, we call it numerical analysis. Both are very important in computer science. So at the lower division, the light blue one will be required. And upper division, we have these different courses. And most of these are electives, so you can take it or not take it. So here I show you the lower division for UC Berkeley X EECS. And for computer science, you just need to finish the blue one. It comes with the programming computational thinking, programming data structure, and the machine structure. These including the computer architecture, or logic design, and also these different programming skills. In higher division, you have algorithm, database, computer architecture, programming language, operation system, network architecture. These cover the core courses. And there are some electives that you can take. So right here, I show you the overall view of what would be covered in the computer science major in a college. And every college have their own curriculum, and you need to pick someone that fit your own purpose. And every university may design the core course in different way. Some may not cover every topic that I mentioned today, but the core course covered here actually will be very important if you go to take the field test or if you try to apply for Master of Science degree in the graduate school. And in high school, you need to get started with these 3 different courses. They cover different background for you, but these cannot replace the college course. It is just the very beginning. And usually in the AP Computer Science A, I teach the programming essential and object-oriented programming. And AP Computer Science principle, usually I briefly touch the computer architecture operation system and some algorithm and some data. And in AP Stats and AP Statistics, it covers some of the basic math for computer science. Thank you. Bye now.